What's up, y'all? Alright, so I want to do a quick test, y'all. Got my jump pack here. Thinking that's touching right there. Yeah. Okay, now let's go back up front here. Take this off. What I want to do, I want to see it start, or try to see it start. Because I haven't heard this start. You know something? One thing. Got too much junk in my hands. I want to see how much. I brought my which car. I want to see how much of a charge I got on this battery. Real quick. I might be able to go through these prongs here. Okay, 11.6. Okay, so with the jump pack. With the jump pack, I should have enough juice to kick this over, hopefully. Okay. Seeing power here. I'm hoping this will be enough to kick it over. Close the door also. Foot on the brake. Washers, get them out the way. Tire low, service engine soon, brake. Few different things that I'm about to figure out. Okay, so I may have to do something else. Yeah, I'll probably have to do something else to
that almighty, undertime freaking, breaking out the cuffs. Man, hold up, that girl too much.
All right, don't need the copyright anyway. But yeah, I'm about to check it out. Something ain't kicking. washer fluid. Yeah, something been kicking. So I guess you could say that was the initial try. I'm gonna have to get my machine and hook it on here and see what codes I pull up. So that's gonna probably be the next thing that I do. What is this over here? Repairs. Front bumper, front labor, 2 something. Chris Close Body Shop. Front bumper. Paint. I know they hit something up front, so that's good to know. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to get my machine and go from there.